Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. I want to paint a snowy day today because it seems like it's going to snow in my town. It's cloudy and gray outside, but it will never happen in California except on the high mountain. The California weather is always warm and dry weather. So I want to share with you how to create a snowy town and sky. I have already started wetting the paper a bit, and I got a sort of blue, the mixture of ultramarine blue, indigo, and phthalo blue. And apply on the paper from top toward down. Clean the brush and take out some water on the paper. Next, take a brilliant pink mix with yellow and apply on the street and lower the sky area. Tilt the paper slightly. Listen for blending colors smoothly. Right? And using a brush stroke back and forth. And I'd like to make a more dark blue sky, so I wash the brush clearly to get some clean water to add it in the sky area because the paper already dried quickly. So take a mixture of indigo, ultramarine deep, and phthalo blue as I have used the first layer. This is the second layer in the sky. Next, for the tall trees, I'd like to paint it dark brown, so I mix indigo and burnt umber to draw crooked tree trunks. Now I'm using a synthetic brush that is made by hard and strong hair. Look at my brush strokes carefully. When I draw the trunk and branch, push the brush strongly and lightly using different power, some hard and some soft. So that's why I will make different angles of branches and leaves here and there. Now I'm using oil paint brush. I want to make some strong lines and strong branches. And also I want to get some crooked tree trunks. Yeah, look at my brush strokes. Push it sometime, push and sometime draw very softly. Now I'm some detail in the branch and leaves. So I will keep doing it until I'm satisfied. Some branches is not connected with thin branches. I'm still working on the thin branches. Okay, next I want to make some story. So I want to draw a few small birds which are coming to your town. They will bring some smile or happiness. And next, paint on the ground with a sort of a blue for making it looks kind of snow. Lastly, use an oil painting brush, or you can use a synthetic brush and rub the paper and pat with paper towels. It will look like snow or some light bulb. If you scrap too hard, you can make a hole in the paper. Be careful and scrap gently. And we are going to splash white to make a snow. Wow, looks so beautiful, right? Okay, we are all done today's painting. I hope you had a good time as I did. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.